Welcome. Today we are continuing with C.R.E. paper 2, part 2, revision 22. Kindly subscribe. Identify 7 methods used by Jesus to spread the gospel. He used parables, he used miracles, he used narratives and stories, he used real-life situation. He showed his disciples how to pray. He met urgent needs of the people. For example, when he fed the 5,000 men, he used question and answer method. He quoted the Old Testament scriptures. He commissioned. He participated in people's daily life activities like dining with them. He cleansed the temple, which was to show the people the importance of temple. He taught by example and was a great role model. Through visitations, where he visited Mary and Martha, through casting out demons, through preaching the good news in the synagogue. In what ways does God show mercy to Christians today? Answering their prayers, empowering spiritual leaders, giving them life and good health, protecting them from evil forces, filling them with the Holy Spirit, providing them with their needs, forgiving them their sins, guiding them. Question 3a. Jesus' teachings on watchfulness and readiness is found in Luke chapter 12, verse 35 to 48. Believers should be dressed for his coming. They should keep their lamps burning. They should be alert. Those who are found waiting will be blessed. They should be prepared at all times, since they do not know the time for Christ's coming. Believers should continue working until Christ comes back. The believers who are drunkards will be punished. Those who know what is required of them and fail to do it will receive a severe beating. Believers are expected to respond to God according to how much they have received from Him. Those who do wrong out of ignorance will receive lesser punishment. 3b. Identify 7 evidences that confirm that Jesus resurrected from death as found in Luke chapter 24, verse 1 to 50. The women found the tomb empty. The stone at the tomb was rolled away. The 2 men in dazzling clothes asked the women why they were looking for the living among the dead. He appeared to the 2 disciples on their way to Emmaus. He appeared to Simon. He appeared to the 11 disciples in a closed room. He showed the disciples his marks and wounds. He ate a piece of boiled fish. He ascended into heaven as they watched. See, state 7 lessons Christians learn from the suffering and death of Jesus. Christians should have faith in God. They should endure suffering. they should forgive their enemies. Christians should confess their sins. They should be loyal to God. They should stand for the truth at all times. Christians should sacrifice for the service of others. They should be prayerful. Christians should surrender to the Lordship of Christ. Christians should be courageous. Question 4a outlines St. Paul's teachings on love as found in 1 Corinthians chapter 13. Love is patient. Love is kind. Love is not jealous. Love is not boastful. Love is not rude. It does not insist on its own way. It is not irritable. It does not keep a record of wrongs. It rejoices at the right. It hopes all things. It perseveres all things. Love never ends. Question 4b. The teachings of Peter concerning the people of God as found in 1 Peter chapter 2 verse 9 to 10. The believers are chosen people. They are a royal priesthood. They are a holy nation. They form a family of God's own possession. They are to declare wonderful deeds of God. They were called from darkness to light. They were once not a covenant people. They have received God's grace. Question 4c. Give 6 ways through which Christians can promote unity among themselves in Kenya today. Christians meet for joint prayers. They observe a day of worship to honor God. They share the Holy Communion. They help those who are needy. They solve problems affecting church members. They hold joint crusades. They also cooperate by providing Christian programs in the mass media. They speak in one voice to condemn evils in the society. They work together to promote education programs in the country. They unite to provide medical services.